Good morning and happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Nicole Listema, and I will be conducting the briefing today. We have two main topics up for discussion this morning: the weather for the end of the week, into the weekend, and the spring frost freeze program. An old frontal boundary will provide the focus for showers through the weekend. A few thunderstorms will be possible, mainly along and south of the boundary today and Friday. Storms could linger into the overnight hours. A wave of low pressure is expected to develop and move along the stall boundary on Saturday. Luckily, there isn't much instability present, and thunderstorms are not forecast at this time, but the chances of showers will spread northward into northern portions of the state Saturday and Sunday. The best rain chances through Friday will mainly be along and south of the LaGrange to Macon to Dublin line. Chances will increase slightly across the area on Friday as better moisture becomes available along and south of the stalled frontal boundary. The potential for isolated thunderstorms will also exist south of the LaGrange to Macon to Dublin line. Severe weather is not anticipated at this time, but a few strong storms are possible. Strong thunderstorms will have the potential to produce a few lightning strikes, wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour, pea-sized hail, and locally heavy rainfall. While widespread flooding is not anticipated, ponding of water on roadways and in low-lying areas is certainly possible. Thunderstorms are currently not anticipated for Saturday and Sunday. Rain chances increase on Saturday for most of the area as a wave of low pressure moves across the southeast states. Percentages for rainfall will range from about 35% to 50% on Saturday. As the low pressure system pulls off to the east late Saturday into early Sunday, rain chances will decrease. The highest rain chances on Sunday will mainly be north of Interstate 20 and east of Interstate 75. Luckily, rainfall totals should remain light, with the highest amounts expected across the southern half of the outlook area. Up to an inch of rain is possible south of the Columbus to Dublin line. Locally higher amounts are possible, especially where showers and thunderstorms repeatedly move across. Switching gears to temperatures, values are expected to run slightly above normal through the extended portion of the forecast. Normal values for this time of year are expected for the end of the week through the weekend. Normal values for this time of year range from the lower to middle 60s in the north to around 70 south of Columbus and Macon. Temperatures will increase to around 10 to 15 degrees above normal for Tuesday through Thursday of next week. Speaking of temperatures, we have begun our spring frost freeze program here at the National Weather Service in Peachtree City. This means that anytime temperatures drop to near freezing, a freeze warning or frost advisory will be issued. There are three types of frost and freeze products we issue here at the National Weather Service in Peachtree City. The first product is a freeze watch. This means that there is good potential for temperatures near 32 degrees to occur within the next 24 to 36 hours. This is the time interested parties need to start making plans to protect their tender vegetation. The watch can be upgraded to either a freeze warning or frost advisory. When either product is issued, this means that any vulnerable vegetation could be killed by temperatures at or below freezing or by areas of frost. A freeze warning is issued when temperatures are expected to drop to 32 degrees or below for a period of about 1 hour. A frost advisory is issued when temperatures are expected to range between 33 degrees and 36 degrees and frost is likely to develop. The near freezing temperatures, combined with clear skies and nearly calm winds, will lead to frosty conditions this time of year. Both the freeze warning and frost advisory are generally issued 12 to 24 hours out. The frost freeze program has already begun for much of the area. The area shaded in pink, the frost freeze program began on March 15th. In the Northeast Mountains, the frost freeze program will begin on April 15th. The following counties that will start on April 15th are Fannin, Union, Towns, White, Lumpkin, Dawson, Pickens, and Gilmer. And remember, when freeze warnings and frost advisories are issued, precautions should be taken to protect tender vegetation. In summary, scattered showers will persist for much of the weekend. Isolated thunderstorms are possible mainly along and south of the LaGrange to Macon to Dublin line through Friday. Instability is limited through the remainder of the weekend, so thunderstorms are not expected for Saturday and Sunday at this time. The ingredients for severe thunderstorms are just not there right now. However, a few strong storms will be possible. Any strong storms that develop will have the potential to produce gusty winds, small hail, a few lightning strikes, and locally heavy rainfall. In addition, this is the time of year that tender vegetation and some crops are at their most vulnerable to temperatures near freezing. The frost freeze program has already begun for much of the area outside of the mountains in northeast Georgia. The program will begin for the Northeast Mountains on April 15th. Protect tender vegetation and vulnerable crops with when freeze warnings or frost advisories are issued. Thanks for taking the time to go through this webinar. Have a great weekend.